Hello everyone, I'm going to come in and do a video for you, and we are going to be teaching how to crochet. This is for very absolute beginners, so if you're a beginner and you want to join us, wonderful. Hopefully you'll learn how to crochet. Now even if you're somebody that's crocheted throughout your life but maybe not lately, you can also benefit from this video. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to make a slip knot. And this is how I make a slip knot, is I stick my hook in under and I pull that through after I have wrapped it around my fingers. And there you go. Alright. Now I also have it wrapped around my forefinger here a couple of times. And that's pretty much it. So here we go. Alright, you take it and you go underneath the yarn, hook it, and you pull it through your loop. Okay? And there's one loop. Now we do it again. 2, and then 3. Whoop. Okay, so to make a hat, first of all, what I like to do is I like to close this up. Sorry about my camera. And so I really actually have 2 here. So I'm going to make one more. Alright. So now there are 3. I have 3 loops. And I'm going to go right into this first one here. And I'm going to slip. I'm going to make a slip stitch. And there we go. Okay. So now this first loop will not, if you put it into that loop, it'll slide it out and everywhere. So yeah, right here. Whoop. We're gonna make a double crochet, and we're gonna put 12 double crochets in the center of that ring. Okay, so you go under like this, and then you go right through the center of that ring, and you pull your yarn through. Okay. So now we have all this on our hook. 3 loops on our hook. We will go through the first 2. 1 and 2. And then we will go through the second 2. Now that is a double crochet. Now we'll do it again. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so that's 2 double crochets, and then we'll go again underneath the yarn through the center of the ring, and then we'll grab our yarn again, pull it through that center, and pull through 2, and then pull through the last 2. So that is a double crochet, and then we'll keep doing that for 12. Like I said, 1, 2, we have 3. This is hiding here. Make sure you count that little one there. The first one's sometimes harder to see. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep doing this. And you can hide your tail on that. And then I'll meet you at the end. Alright. So before we get to the end, I want to show you how to work over the tail so that you just trap it right in between. Now your hat will not come out because of this knot we made in the very beginning, but it also has a harder time closing up in the middle here too. So it's up to you what you want to do. I have made a hat successfully this way, but I'm having a little harder time on camera here for some reason. Alright, so we will trap that and just come around. Yep. Okay. And then we'll do it again. This is for the double crochet, remember? And you can make anything out of this, really. So I'm trapping my tail, and then what I do is sew it in so that the top closes at the end. Using this way of working the circle. And everybody crochets differently. So this is a 4-weight yarn with my hook is a I-525 millimeter. Okay, so after you get 12 of these, so let's count. All right, here. So yeah, this, I guess, yes, this is the first one here. Okay, so here we go. I usually count these posts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I got an extra one. Okay, so that's easy enough. We just take that out and put our hook in our loop, and you slide it in up in at the top of these two. Okay. And actually it should go in here because this is the first stitch. So we'll just slip stitch into that first stitch. Okay.